Hello all, welcome to my next video. And if you have caught my earlier video, you know that I have already unboxed this fine jewelry. But the thing I left out is actually the certificate of what makes the bangle. Oh no, the necklace, okay? So sorry I left that out. So right now I'm going to cover on what's being written there. So if you haven't watched my video, please go and catch it. Okay, so right now over here I'm just going to share with you what it is made of, and this one is of diamonds, of white diamonds of course, and it's VVS quality diamonds with F to G color, and it is of course with 201 diamonds in total, and the carat weight is almost 1 carat at 0.96 carat. Okay, and it's of course the rose gold, which is very obvious on the jewelry. You can tell that it's rose gold. It is the serial number, okay, registration number. So that is it. I sneezed. Okay, so that is it. So this is the start for this piece of jewelry. So if you haven't caught this video, please go click on the video section, go to the history, and you will find me unboxing this. Okay, it's a very beautiful piece of jewelry. You have to catch it. So right now I'm going to move on to unbox this piece of gem over here before we move on to cover my luxurious exotic skin Birkin that I got offered in my boutique. This is very exciting. This is also in exotic skin, which I think you will find it amazing because they are also beautiful. So let's unbox this together. So my SA has been very helpful and kind to me, and he actually did recommended me a number of things here and there, and most of them I took them because they're beautiful. So this is another piece that he recommended in store. So it's a cardboard box as usual. It's not like this. This is more solid piece of box, and this is the normal cardboard box that you get for your small little goods or even bags. And here I reveal my beautiful croc skin Kelly wallet. I think this is a must-have for everyone because it's so beautiful, and it's actually the blue. What's the color? Hold on, I forgot the color. Blue something, okay? And this is the receipt. Okay, let's see the receipt. This is called the Kelly Classic Blue Sapphire. It's the Blue Sapphire. SPHIR, SPHIR, something like that. SPHIR, Blue Sapphire. Tell me how to pronounce this. So this is the color, very beautiful. It's like dark navy blue, and in sapphire you can find this color too. That's why they call it the Blue Sapphire. And it's a very beautiful piece. You see the corners of them. It's really beautiful. And at the bottom is a joint between the first piece of the Crocs leather, and at the back they join the back piece of Crocs leather over here. So they join left and right. It is not one same connecting piece. So this is the sticker, which I haven't removed yet. So let's take a look at the inside. You can see the Hermes logo here. I think I'm going to start using this wallet maybe in 2018 because right now we're just left. Today is New Year's Eve, so I'm going to use this next year for sure. Tomorrow is the New Year. Yeah. So over here, you can open it. I think for every lady, if you can choose one Kelly wallet, maybe you can choose a crop, crop piece. Because the normal leather, I mean, everybody has it. So Crocs, I think it's a bit more rare. So it's beautiful to use as a clutch as well. Okay, so this is the way you do it. The left and right strap, you open them, and the top you need to open them from the buckle as well. So this buckle is made long enough to hold both your clasps, your clasps as well as your front flap. You can see it says Hermes, made in France. This is the inside. You have 6 card slots and 1 for your receipts, and the center portion for your dollar notes. And over here it's symmetrical, it repeats again, 1 for your dollar notes and 6 card slots, and another compartment here for your papers. In the center, right in the middle, we have the zip for you to put your coins. So it's the same leather material as the one outside. And at the end of the zip, we have the H logo, and this is the lock, the same iconic lock that they have for the wallets. So for me, I'm going to use this as a wallet, of course. But I think I can use this as a clutch, because as a clutch it will be beautiful. Looking at the color and the combination, imagine if this is to be in a silver hardware, it may not be as beautiful as this, because in a gold hardware, I think it looks much more classy, and I really love the contrast between the gold and the blue, which they call the blue sapphire. It really looks like black to me, in the video it looks like black to me, but if you were to take it offline, it is actually dark sapphire blue. It's very rich dark sapphire blue that you can see, and in one look you can tell the craftsmanship is really of superb quality. Each of the corners, they did it like so precise. I don't know how long they took to make this, but it is really something of another league, So there you go, my beautiful Kelly wallet. And if you love this video, please click on the like button. Alternatively, click on subscribe to subscribe for more videos, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next one, where I will unbox my exotic Crocs Birkin. Okay? See you guys in my next one. Bye guys! Oh, if you love this video, click on the like button. Alternatively, click on subscribe, okay? Bye bye!